Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a cordless leaf blower from SnapFresh. Now I already have a leaf blower from Chemo, so you're probably wondering why am I doing another cordless leaf blower review? Well, a few days ago my dad stopped by and saw my Chemo leaf blower and really liked it. So I thought I would get him one for his birthday, which is coming up very soon. Now you're probably wondering why didn't I get him the same one I already own? Well, my dad is an older guy, and he has a few limitations. He has arthritis in his hands, and he can't hold down the trigger on the Chemo for a very long period of time. So I had to hunt around for a different blower with a different design. When I was looking at the cordless reciprocating saw from SnapFresh, I came across this blower on the same page. I believe this blower has a better design for my dad's situation, and I decided to get it from my dad and do a review to share with you guys at the same time. So let's open this baby up and see what we get. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product video review. Okay, so let's see what we get here. Now this is an Amazon purchase. It's not in a plain brown box, it's a very colorful box. And also to point out, this is only a blower, it is not a vacuum. So if you're looking for a blower vacuum, you can go check out my Chemo review, that one does both. But if you just need a leaf blower, you can check out this right now. So let's open this baby up and see what we get in here. So you get the instructions, owner's manual, should review that. And let's see what we have here. That in a minute. You get two different tubes for it. This one right here, this one right here. You get the unit itself. And let's see, let me put this aside. This is probably the battery in here, I would guess. There you go. 20 volt lithium ion, 2 amp hour battery. And this is probably the charger in here. There we are. So let's see, what do we get here? Okay, so what do you get in the box? You get the blower unit itself, you get 2 extension tubes that can be used individually or together depending on the length you want to have on it. You get a rapid charger, and you get a 2 amp hour 20 volt lithium ion battery. Now, at the shooting of this video, this item retails on Amazon for $69.99, link in description below. And this is a very lightweight, compact unit that anybody can use. Like I said, people with mobility issues, arthritis, young kids, anybody can use this. It is so light. It's only 2.7 pounds for the unit itself. And if you add the tubes on it, and like I said, the tubes depends on what you're trying to blow, the area you're working with, the height of the individual, whatever's convenient for you, you can either put on the first tube, and like I said, they snap on very, very easily, just like that. Just a simple button. There's no pushing, twisting, turning, any of that. Simple button, snaps in place, snaps right off. Very, very easy to install or remove. But as far as length goes, the body assembly by itself is 11.6 inches. The body plus the first tube is 26.7 inches. If you add on the second tube, you're looking at 35 inches total length. The second tube just snaps in place right there, a little notch for it, but I'm not going to do that right here, right now. We'll do that later. Now this has a very convenient, easy to use assembly. You have a rubber overmold right up here, which is for reducing vibration and, preventing your hand from slipping and so forth. It has a 2-position switch, low and high. And again, this is one of the things that I liked about it. There's no switch to press down. The switch is just, you push it into 2 different detents and you're done. You don't have to hold it. It stays in place. I'll show you in just a moment. But as far as the blowing capacity of the unit, it has a low and a high mode. In low mode, it blows up to 60 miles per hour and it'll run for 30 minutes. In high mode, it'll run up to 130 miles per hour, it'll run up to 15 minutes, and it puts out 140 CFM. Now this unit comes with a 1-year warranty, and like most SnapFresh products, if you register on their website, you can get an additional year of warranty for free. So you get basically 2 years of warranty with this product, which is pretty darn good. So basically this unit, like I said, comes with a rapid charger, and this is like the other SnapFresh rapid chargers that I tested before. Now the rapid charger on this unit is a quick charge unit, and it'll take the 2 amp hour battery, 20 volt, and charge it up in 1 hour. Pretty quick. So you can use it for as long as you need, charge it back up, or get multiple batteries, or I'm sure you can look around on Amazon and you can get yourself a 4 amp hour battery or bigger, and that'll give you a longer runtime. Just like the Chemo, you can get a bigger battery and make it run for much longer. So this depends on what is your situation, whether you have a small yard, a medium yard, whether you're just cleaning out an RV or something like that, dusting off your car, whatever it is that you're doing with it. This has multiple different uses because it is a very lightweight, compact blower, and it is not very noisy at all. It's less than 80 decibels. So you can use it in most situations without disturbing anyone in your household or your neighbors, unlike some of the other electric or gas-powered blowers, which are really quite noisy. Now, this battery, I'm sure, has a little residual energy in it. There you go. It has a little bit of energy in it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drain it out and put it on the charger, charge it fully so we get a full maximum strength out of the charge that we're going to get. And then we're going to take it outside and see exactly how it performs. So let's do that right now. Okay guys, there you have it. So we just did a review of the SnapFresh blower from Amazon, and as you can see, it did a fantastic job cleaning up the yard, no trouble whatsoever. So this is a great blower for home use. Do not confuse it, this is not for professional use. I have had people comment before that these small blowers are not for professional use and they won't get the big jobs done. I agree completely. This is for home use. This is for cleaning out your RV, your apartment, your condominium, people with small yards, people that don't want to have to mess with the gasoline and the oil and all that kind of stuff, or having a long cord dragging all over your yard just trying to get a couple things clean. If you need a simple blower, lightweight, anybody can use it with, mobility problems or arthritic hands or small children. Anybody can use this. It is safe, it is compact, lightweight, convenient, very good little blower. I think it is fantastic. I have no problem giving this to my dad as a birthday present. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. But first, hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye for now.